Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing a 1/200 scale Hogan Wings Lufthansa Airbus A320 with sharklets, in which case is also known as the winglets, in which I bought it from eBay from between $25 and $30. And this will be a full unboxing video of the Hogan Wings Lufthansa A320, which will feature the box cover showing the individual model airplane parts, and I'll give some commentary of the model airplane itself. So first, let's show the box cover. Here's a real life picture of the actual airplane. Registration is Delta Alpha India Zulu Zulu. And top, side, bottom, in your back, not much except just technical stuff, but other than that, let's unbox the model. And of course, landing gears with rubber tires. Nice. Here's the stand. Turn them on first. I'll have to do it later. Alright, there's the stand. Now, let's get the face out. German flag with the registration. There's the Hogan Wings. It's under the subsidiary for Hogan. It's a German subsidiary. Some sort. It's your left wing. Sharklet. Here's your right wing. Lap stabilizer. Right stabilizer. They're both horizontal. And the tail with the Lufthansa's flying crane. Get the idea out of the way. I'll video. Here's the layout. And so, let's put them on. Shoot. The engines came out. Guess I could try to put it back on. Otherwise, I'll probably super glue it. Oops. Another epic fail. And then finish everything. Assembly, and then I'll try to super glue it at the end of this video. Alright? There you have it. Sorry about the engines falling apart. But here it is. Now, to those people who are familiar with the Airbus A320, and those people who aren't as well, these sharklets are large curved winglets on the A320 that are added as part of the enhanced Airbus A320E, which is what it stands for, enhanced. And they're currently built onto new A320neos, the new engine options. So, in an effort to improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, to significantly increase range of the standard A320. Sorry, it's but anyhow, compare the size with the A319. You notice that the A319 is much shorter than the A320 in terms of the fuselage length. The wingspan of the A319 may be a bit smaller than the A320. And this A319 has wingtip fences instead of the new sharklets. And yeah. Now the model, unfortunately, there's not that much level of detail as is on the larger planes I've done. As you can see, there are no strobe lights. And let's see, no exit labels. There's no emergency exit track or wherever it is that indicate the dual slides from the window exits. But anyhow, this is the level of detail you would expect from a Hogan Wing model. So that's about the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe on some more unboxing videos of my model aircraft collecting journey, as well as any takeoff and landing videos of various commercial aircraft. And just FYI, The US Airways 737-400 by Hogan Wings should be on its way soon. I will do the unboxing video of that model as soon as it gets there. So, thanks for watching and have a safe flights to all.